What's happening, everybody? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you again with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. This is going to be review number 3086, I believe. It'll be coming out about 3 months. And today we've got one that came in a Japan Ramen Box. This is Raoh Kogashi Nissin Raoh Kogashi Shoyu. Kogashi is an area of Japan, and shoyu means soy sauce. So let's get this sucker going. This takes 5 minutes to get all happy as a clam with the steeping. Let's dump this on. Definitely a fancier noodle block, that's for sure. And I'll put this on it. How about that? I could put the lid back on it, but it'll just curl up and die. And my timer. Where's my timer? It's time for the timer. There we go. So, anyways, there, that's better, I think. That's what you're looking for. Turn the heat off. Don't want the camera to overheat. Bye-bye excess water. Alright, so what is going on today? Well, as you saw on the video yesterday, I got a new shirt. You can see it. DARE. Okay, so DARE stands for Drug Abuse Resistance Education. I'm not ashamed to admit that in my formative years, I did experiment with some different enjoyable things, hallucinogens, marijuana, things like that. These days, oh God, I don't even drink anymore. Could you imagine waking up with a hangover with Miles and Miriam? Oh my God. Anyways, so yeah, kids take the party out of the party. At least they should, if you know what's good for you. Anyways, so I thought I'd share my experience of the DARE program with you. I think I went through it twice because they would kind of mush it into health class. And there were a couple really weird aspects to it. One was that they would pass around, like the guy had a briefcase and he had all these drugs in it. And it was a cop. It was the DARE officer. And anyways, he would have this briefcase with all these drugs, and it would, oh, they would pass these around. It's like, wow. So you'd know if somebody was trying to like go, hey man, this is a joint. Here you go. You know, so you can know, I don't want that. This is what it looks like though. He would say like, oh, smell it and look at it and feel the texture and all this stuff. It's like, honestly, I didn't, until I started smoking weed, which I didn't really do exceedingly often. Until I did, I really didn't know the difference between pot, weed, and marijuana. I thought they were, or I didn't realize they were all the same thing. Yeah, kind of sheltered, growing up in Anacortes. But the weirdest part of all that, I mean, it was like you would do, like, you would get a workbook and your assignment would be like, you know, draw the line between like what's going on and what you should do. Like, person is following me, try to give me weed. Find an adult and get help. It's like, well, what if it's an adult following you around trying to make you smoke weed? Honestly, to this day, I've never seen anybody like held down and demanded to smoke weed or do any drugs. That's pretty weird. But as it turns out, the principal at the school I was going to And the dare officer, I graduated, you know, I did the program and all that stuff, so you get a dare certificate. And it was just like a silly little, you know, I mean, actually it was a nice certificate, I still have it. But the 2 signatures on it, the vice principal, unfortunately, he was a really nice guy, and he retired and got into, I want to say, growing Christmas trees, and he committed suicide. And I will say that I do not know this for 100%, so don't take it to the bank, although I'm pretty darn sure that the dare officer, and I don't know his name, whatever, but, and this was like, what, 30 years ago, so, anyways, the dare officer, supposedly, he got busted for selling drugs to kids, so it's just like, the absolute hypocrisy and ridiculousness of that program just is shown right there. I mean, yeah. What happens when you tell 13 to 15-year-old kids not to do something? They want to do it. Unless it's like, well, if you do this, your finger's gonna fall off. But they'll do it anyways. Because, you know, that's fun. Anyways, here's what we're greeted with when we take the lid off. Are these noodles. We'll stir them. Usually these Raoh noodles are pretty darn good. Smelling the smell. And here is the liquid base. I'm gonna just pour that in. And then swizzle, because swizzling, that's the flavor. That's the flavor right there. All right, cheesy 80s music. I'm gonna have to find something else because this is really bad. It's good in like unboxing videos and mukbang, but for this, I don't know how much I can take of it. I've got some other stuff on here. I like, it's like almost like metal, some car chase music and stuff. So that might be good. I'll try that on the next one. In fact, I'll try it right now. Here. Ooh, this is better. There we go. Welcome to luxury. Oh, here come the dudes with the ladders. Instant noodles. And you. Okay, let's give this a try. I actually used this music for, when I went to Taiwan, I did an award show. That's freaking good. Look at that broth. It's all oily. Alright. That is some thrilling stuff right there, folks. I'm very happy with that. Now I'm going to dump this into the pot. We're going to get our bowl. You know, yeah, I'll use this bowl. Ooh, listen to those horns, yeah. Oh yeah, baby. found a whole bunch of like, it's just like 80s, LA 80s TV themes. It's time for wearing your shoes indoors. A decisive look at shoes. Featherings. And instant noodles with a bag of cheese. This stuff is kind of fun. Oh no. Oh, we might be good. I sure hope we are. The last thing you want to hear me say is, oh, rats. Oh, rats. Well, it could be worse. A little bit of chashu here, a little bit of egg, a little bit of mung bean sprout, some spring onion, and now I'm going to do something I don't usually do, but I think you'll understand why. Notice how the chashu is just like super stark. That makes a little bit of a difference, I think. Today we're going to add some sesame seeds. We're also going to pop up these noodles because they're way too low. They're not on the radar as much as I'd like them to be. And I'm calling that good. That is one sloppy, good-looking bowl of noodles right there, huh? Mastery, class, happiness, elegant perfection lifestyle. This could all be yours in the world of the Ramen Raider. Alright, well this has been an absolutely jam-packed, silly episode of the Ramen Raiders Instant Noodle Recipe Time. I thank you for hanging out and watching. And, yeah, you should subscribe. Get a notification every day. Enjoy yourself. Be happy, you know. You should watch these other things, too. And you should wear shoes indoors as well. Alright, well, enjoy, be well. And this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.